Hello friends, welcome to Sakith. Today in Sakith, we are going to be see unboxing video that's of a tripod stand. Let's start. Wow, this is a tripod stand, and we're going to be unboxing this. This can hold, this is of brand Icon. This can hold two mobiles at the same time. Let's start. Now, first of all, let's open this. So I'm opening this. All the products are packed properly, and the LED light, for its safety, they have packed it with a disposable cover also. Now these are the products which they have gave to attach this. So now let's see what they have given. This is the stem. We should attach it to the bottom like this. So this is the bottom, and this is the holder of the phone. These are the holders, and that is the stem where we fix this holders. That was the LED light, and this is the stick. Now let's attach it. Now we attach the stick, and then now as our next step we have tight it. And now our next step is to attach the stem that holds the phone holders. Yes, it's done. Now to keep this, we should remove the small ring given there, and then now we should tighten it. Okay, I have now tightened it, and yes, it's over. I have tightened it. Yes. Now, as our next step, we'll attach the next also by putting the ring, putting that inside, and adding the ring. And this is a very easy step. Next, we are going to attach the LED. Attaching the LED is very simple. The same way we should attach that also. So now I attached it.